G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Green Centre YouTube channel, one of the great YouTube channels. Today we're going to talk about tall fescue grass. Tall fescue is the best grass to stay lush and green all year round. However, there's a big catch, it requires a bit of water. Tall fescue grass is a cool season grass, so it likes cold weather, unlike Sir Walter Buffalo or Kikuyu or Cooch, which love hot weather. They're drought tolerant grasses. Tall fescue is the opposite. It's a cool season grass that it's recommended that you have a watering system when you lay it down. So you're going to get these beautiful slabs of turf that have been cut. You get a bit of soil with them, about 25 mil of soil. Tall fescue grass is a single blade grass that has just one root that goes down into the soil rather than the kikes and buffaloes and cooches that are runners that run. Tall fescue is the opposite. So it's the opposite for its root system. It's the opposite for its weather and water requirements. It requires the water. As mentioned, when you get your tall fescue, it comes with a little bit of lawn starter to spread out underneath the turf before you lay it. That's a wetting agent that works really well to give your turf a kickstart. That comes free. This is a little pile of tall fescue today. A lot of people don't know how much grass, what it's going to look like when they get it. This is 6 square metres of turf, so you're still going to get there's roughly about 16 slabs of turf there, and that's what you get when you have even a small amount delivered. Like, I think that covers most of tall fescue. Not drought tolerant, sprinkler system, single blade root grass that goes into your soil. It stays lush and green all year round. That's why it's going to look damn fantastic when you install it. Hit us up on 9331 5300 or give us a yell on thegreencentre.com.au. Speak to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.